Right, what I've got over here is hydrochloric acid, concentrated hydrochloric acid. Concentration is about 12 molar. And I've got concentrated sodium hydroxide or ammonia solution. This is a weak base. This is a strong acid. But both this acid and this base are very volatile, which means they change very easily into a gas. And so we can do some stuff with the vapors that come off. Just for safety. I've got some red litmus paper. And I've got some blue litmus paper. Blue litmus paper is used for testing acids. And I've got my acid in here, as I've said. We're not even going to worry about the liquid. We are just going to allow the vapors that come off to change the blue litmus paper. So here's my blue litmus paper. And I'm going to move closer to the camera so you can see it. And I'm going to hold my breath because I don't want to breathe in these vapors. It's already starting to change, so you can see how quite easily it changes from blue to red. That tells me I've got an acid. That's right. Now my ammonia solution, which is also volatile, I'm going to use red litmus, and in a base, red litmus goes blue. Let's get my piece out. So our blue litmus went red in an acid. Here's my base. And you can see how quickly it changes blue, just from the vapors. There's one more thing I want to show you. A reaction between the hydrogen chloride, which is the vapor from this hydrochloric acid, and the ammonia gas, which comes from this ammonia solution. If I allow those two vapors to combine, we get a combination reaction or synthesis reaction, and we make ammonium chloride. So hydrogen chloride and ammonia come together to make ammonium chloride, and ammonium chloride is actually a solid. So we're taking two gases and making a solid. The solid you're going to see is kind of a smoky solid. So the particles are still very small, but they're not as small as gas particles. So it's tiny little solid particles. So hydrogen chloride is coming together with ammonia and making ammonium chloride. And that white smoke is actually a solid.